The Sleep Clinic Toronto has offers diagnostics, which includes laboratory tests and different types of examinations, as well as treatment services for patients with different kinds of sleep-related medical disorders. Disorders ranging from snoring to nightmares to sleepwalking, sleep apnea to narcolepsy, and much more, such as parasomnia, bruxism, which is teeth grinding, jet lag, insomnia, daytime sleepiness, restless leg syndrome, fibromyalgia, and shift work-related sleep problems. Anyone of any age can suffer from a sleeping disorder. With all of these different types of sleep disorders, some simple conditions could lead into serious ones, so a good sleep clinic Toronto has should be the first step in knowing and then treating these conditions. Apnea is Greek for without breath. Some Sleep Study Toronto centers consider sleep apnea as one of the most commonly treated and the most dangerous condition of sleeping disorders. With this condition, instead of the normal relaxation of muscles around the airway during sleep, the airway is narrowed to the point of cutting off the flow of air that will lead to choking, then the person waking up. Due to this, persons suffering from sleep apnea usually have underlying heart conditions, then brought about the waking up due to a lack of oxygen. This can lead to high blood pressure. A sleep clinic Toronto has also found out that the risk of heart failure is 2 to 3 times higher, and stroke is 3 to 4 times higher with the condition of sleep apnea. Has someone told you that you snore loudly? Or has snoring been a problem with your partner? The Sleep Disorder Clinic Toronto can find a solution to that, and has also found snoring is connected to sleep apnea. Snoring happens when there's a narrowing in the airway causing vibration of the palatal tissues. Anyone of any age can suffer from a sleeping disorder. With all of these different types of sleep disorders, some simple conditions could lead into serious ones, so a good sleep clinic Toronto has should be the first step in knowing and then treating these conditions. Visit sleepclinictoronto.org for much more information.